Hey guys, we are eating breakfast, but we're gonna make a little clip for you guys. My brother's gonna be adding a bunch of salt in this little egg, and he's gonna be eating it all. Look how much salt's already on it. Look how much salt he's adding on that. Nope, add more for the viewers. Maybe add the whole bottle.
No!
Add a bunch. Yo, no. You're gonna add more. I'm just gonna show them how much salt's on there.
Guys,
That's how much salt. Put more.
No. That's good enough. Okay, go more salt.
He's my brother. Gonna eat this.
I'm scared, guys. You better go down below. Hit the notification bell.
And like and subscribe because he may never taste again. Oh, hey guys. We've got Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, go buy them. Link in the description below.
Okay, here we go. 3,
2, 1.
Oh!
Oh my god, are you okay? No water! No water for 3 minutes!
Oh my god! Oh! That's something! Oh my god!
This water's so good. I put salt!